Hello and welcome back to my channel, guys. Hope you all are doing great. Today's video is all gonna be about the must-have for girls, may it be teenagers or adults. I thought of sharing these must-haves, so let's start the video. It is kind of a makeup, I mean the must-have makeup that girls should have. Any teenager or any girl should have is a sunscreen. A sunscreen is a must. You should always wear a sunscreen because it protects your skin from the harmful rays of the sun. So yeah, you should consult your doctor what type of a SPF to your skin suits. So you should go to a dermatologist and then try a SPF that your doctor recommends. So yeah, I use the SPF 26. So yes, this have a moisturizer. I should not stress on this, but yes, a moisturizer is a must for your skin. It hydrates your skin and therefore you should always moisturize your skin after bathing, after washing your face or going to bed. Moisturizer is a must. You should also give try to whichever moisturizer suits your skin the best, and you should then try it. The next thing I feel that a girl should have is essential oil. Now I should not stress on this that how useful essential oils are. Now you can go on any website, you will get lots and lots of essential oil, but before buying any essential oil, just go to Google and see what the essential oil is used for, and then you should buy it. There are lots of essential oils, different for your hair, different for your skin, depending on your skin types. I use this rosemary essential oil. It is very good for your hairs, also for your skin. Just take few drops in whichever moisturizer you use and then apply it to your skin. It will give you good and a very good skin. Just try it. And there are also lots and lots of essential oil. I bought this from Nykaa, so you can check their website. You'll get lots and lots of essential oil. So yes. Next is the under eye cream. Now, teenagers, I don't think they should go for under eye cream as the skin is not that damaged to use under eye cream, but for people who have under eye problems should definitely use under eye creams. Moms and Co cream, under eye cream, rich in coffee oil, vitamin E and B3. This helps in rejuvenating your under eye cells. So yes, under eye cream is a must. You should also try whichever cream suits best for you and then use it. Next is lip balm. Always hydrate your lips. So this is optional. This is Fit Me Maybelline Concealer. Dark circles are very huge problem for girls. So yes, girls suffering from dark circles, use this. In lesser quantity, of course. Anything too much is not good for your skin. So yes, try this just to hide those circles. And yay, coconut oil. Okay, so let me tell you, this is a very good product for your hair. I use this oil, and yes, you can use this oil also with essential oils. As I told you before, there are lots and lots of essential oil for your hair. You should mix just few drops of those essential oil with any hair oil that you use and just give your hair a good massage. It will have you a long and beautiful hairs. So yes, hair oil is must for your hairs. Okay, you should always apply hair oil once in a week and wash your hair twice a week. That will keep your hair clean. So yes, hair oils. Then foundation. Any foundation that you love that suits your skin is a must. You know, it hides all your dark spots, all your pimples, and you know. So yes, any foundation that suits you the best, you should have that in your vanity. And yes, foundation. Compact, any compact good for your skin. You should have it. A compact is a good powder, and if there are some people who are allergic to compacts, so you can have this mild compact. I guess Lakme has a very mild compact that suits every skin type. And yes, there are shades, different shades. Whichever shade suits your skin, you should give it a try, and it is a must have. Then eyeliner. Yes, eyeliner, it is also a must have. It gives your eyes a beautiful shape. And yes, eyeliners, try it. My one is Lakme Insta eyeliner. This one is water resistant. So yes, there are different types of eyeliners. There are water based, there are waterproof, there are gel eyeliners, there are powdered eyeliners. So even my one is this liquid eyeliner, because yes, I can apply it and I love this one. It is a very... Next is mascara. So I think this should be the most important in a makeup kit, because beautiful eyelashes. I use this Maybelline New York, the Hyper Curl waterproof, again waterproof. Then the two kind of brush I think is that one is the powder brush or the blush brush, and one is the brow brush. Now I just love brows. I cannot, I do not apply any liquid eyebrow pencil or whatever. I just shape my eyebrow with this brush, and that's it. Do not apply anything on my eyebrows. Yes, the eyebrow brush and a foundation brush or a blush brush. You can use both, you just have to, and it gives a good coverage of your powder or of your blush. So yes, a foundation brush or a blush brush is a must. Our most important are clips. These are very useful. मेरे बाल बहुत ज़्यादा लंबे हैं, and I always need a clip, a bow or a clutcher. So I have all these three in my bag always. Should have bows for the timing when your hairs are not manageable at all. So at that time you can use these bow. Just tie your hair and it's done. Use these types of clips. These are called as TikTok clips or whatever. And I love these clips. मतलब वो जो होते हैं ना छोटे वाले clips, उससे better तो मुझे ये clips लगते हैं, because it holds your hair tightly. So yes, I use these clips, and yes, you should have these in your bag. Then your go-to nail paints. These are the nail paints. These are my go-to nail paints. जब भी मुझे कहीं बाहर जाना होता है, and I do not, I do not like my cut या ऐसे टूट जाते हैं. I do not like that. So yes, I keep my nails very short. This is the size I keep my nails. So you should have these nail paints or whichever color you love. You should have a red nail paint, you should have a black nail paint, because these are go-to nail paints, must-haves. Then lipsticks. Now, if you're asking me which color lipstick you should have, now this is all upon you, because whichever color is your favorite shades in lipsticks, brown, reds, pink, whichever lipstick. Now there is a color you love to apply that. You always get that one lipstick from your kit and you always apply those lipsticks only. So yes, I love the shades of browns, I love the shade of pink, and I love the shade of red. So yes, most of the time I use this red lipstick, because yes, red, it goes on any outfit, on any makeup. So yes, red lipstick is a must have. My one, if you ask, I use this Nykaa lipsticks. Now this is a hair setting spray. So to the girls who love to curl their hair, who loves to have different kinds of hairstyles, should use this hairspray. I should tell you that it keeps your hair very much into the place. Your hair do not frizz, your hair do not come out of those clips. So yes, if you are making a hairstyle that you want that should be throughout the day undisturbed, so yes, hairspray is a must. You should use a hairspray. And teenagers, not that, I mean, I don't recommend teenagers using hairsprays. So yes, should have, not a must have, but yes, if you want your hair to be in place, use this. Then a face pack brush. Now, why should you have a face pack brush? There are a lot of girls who apply, I mean, like any face pack, they just use their hands. I mean, that is like very wrong. You're transferring the germs from your hands to your face, and you do not want your face to break out. So yes, do use a face mask brush, must have. And favorite perfume. Now let me tell you, this is magic fragrance. I mean, what do you notice in a person when you meet them? I notice their perfumes. Okay, yes, my favorite is this. Now it is like khatam hote aaya hai, and this is my favorite perfume. It's from Zara. My favorite. Last, I mean, not last, this is the important thing in your kit. So yes, a comb. Now there are a lot of girls who use a very narrow, I mean, teeth wale brush. So please don't use those brush. They are going to break your hairs if your hair are not properly detangled. So use these kind of, you know, wide teeth wale brush. They will not break your hair. And yes, white teeth wale comb is a must. I think these are the must-haves. Black earring, or you can say black tops. These go with any outfit. I just love them. I mean, किसी भी top पर जाता है easily. And black, it suits on everything, like everything. So yes, black top or black studs, you can say. They are the must-haves. Okay, so these are the must-have that I feel that a girl should definitely have in their kit. So if you guys want any other videos, I mean, related to makeup, related to outfit, please comment. And if you guys want to suggest any video topics, do write it in the comment box. Thank you for watching my video, and if you feel that it is useful, please give this video a like and do subscribe my channel. And yes, thank you for watching.